Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is about Prime Coin. We're going to discuss its price prediction and analysis. Prime Coin is listed on almost all major exchanges, except Binance. Right now, it's bouncing off a key level, and there might be an upside where you can make some decent gains. The coin has a $271 million market cap and around $10 million in daily trading volume. Now, let's take a look at the chart. After 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 candles, each candle representing 2 weeks, we're now seeing a green candle. This is important because it shows a potential reversal. The key level was around $4.60. We lost that level but are now reclaiming it back. The next target is around $6.10 to $6.30, which represents a 30-40% gain. We are currently in a bullish setup, and this momentum might continue for the next few weeks. If we look at the recent candles, we see a full-body candle without a wick, and now a new full-body candle has started. There are 13 days left for this candle, so there is potential for price movement toward the $6.30 range. After a significant sell-off and correction over the last 2 to 3 months, this is the first green candle we've seen, indicating a possible bullish reversal. For those looking to make a position, this could be a good entry point around $4.40 to $4.60. From here, you could sell around $6.30, which is a potential 30-40% gain. Always do your own research before buying or selling anything. Like the video if you found this useful, and make sure to subscribe for more crypto updates.